Hey, this is Joe once again. I recently had one of our users call and ask me about laying out a rooftop unit system, makeup air actually, for a kitchen. So I had him go to our wizard and just lay out this system here. He actually wanted outside air conditions a little bit different, so he just needed to go into our project properties and uncheck and just make the heating outdoor air 0 degrees F in the heating season, and he wanted 100 in the summer. And now you see here that the minimum input load for that heat exchanger is that many BTUs. My cooling system on that would be that many BTUs there as well. So to lay out this system, let's just do that using our wizard so we can see kind of how you go about doing that, because I had to actually add a couple of things that the wizard didn't do. But let's just go up here to the wizard. The rooftop unit wizard is the second one over. We'll select that. We want one rooftop unit system serving one space or system. Okay, yes, we want to do heating and cooling in this. What do we want here? 100% outside air, correct. Natural gas and packaged condensing unit. We want that. One supply fan that's going to be in that rooftop unit. You can actually switch the type of fan that you might want in there. One MERV filter for pre. The space, this is where you can enter the BTUs, whatever heat loss you had from the loads program that might be in the space. Now, most of the load in this space is going to be from the makeup air, but we can enter that load, so many BTUs for that given kitchen space. Temperatures that we might want in that space, heating or cooling. A lot of times people go 75 for cooling. Then how much air? 5,000, 4,000, whatever it might be. Let's do 6,000 on our project. So that would be what we want to have in the kitchen. Ventilation, that's 100% outside air. So exhaust method. So we're going to do a couple things here. We'll do 4,000 CFM exhaust for this, but we're going to switch that up here a little bit. I'm going to hit 0 on that and show you one little thing here. And one exhaust fan in there, finish. We can actually come in, we can pick a cook fan, roof, down blast. Let's go with an up blast here, finish. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a rooftop unit with an airflow diagram system from 0 to 85 degrees, because that's what I went in and changed the default to. A couple of things I need to do here on my space. You'll see we have 6,000 CFM outside air. So I'm going to actually go to our project properties, double left click on the white screen, and under air, I'm going to uncheck this to enter exhaust data. It's normally in the space, but I want to uncheck that so I can actually enter it in at a fan. So I'm going to make this fan under key data. We'll make this fan exhaust, 5,000 CFM exhaust for that fan. And then I'm going to go grab me to the space. We're going to actually put in another exhaust grill in there, because we're going to pretend that one's the hood. We'll grab that, now change that one for the hood, and this one, I need to rotate that around, make my space a little bit bigger here. So we have now 5,000 going to that. You'll see I put 2 grills in there, so each one's 50%. So I'm going to click on those grills and make sure that that's 100% air through that grill and 100% air through this grill. Because when I put the CFM in the fan, and that one's 0% right there. So 0, make sure that's still 100% there when we go add a fan to that. Okay, so let's just copy and paste this fan over. 5,000 CFM, we don't want that. Since we have 6,000 total, we're going to make this one 500. We'll take a 0 off there. So now we have 5 and 100 and 5,000. 6,000 coming in. You can actually drag a box across just to double check any temperatures or airflow. There's 6,000 coming in. You'll notice my space is now positive, because with the 5,000 exhausting here and the 500 there, we're 5,500. So if we click on that space, we'll go into pressurization. We'll see we're 500 CFM positive pressure. So that's a simple, using our wizard layout, a little makeup air system for a kitchen. Let's just look at duct sizing. Now we'll have duct sizes. We can look at temperatures on there, size of the duct. We can annotate, right click with our mouse, text, write kitchen hood. Do the same for the arrow down there for the makeup air. That's how easy it is to lay out a little system, makeup air system for a kitchen, model it. Remember, we can size all this equipment. If it's got pink shading, let's hit the thumbs up button. If it went away, we actually selected some cook product right in there on those fans. Selection, decide which fan you want on there, and now you have the dimensions and weights, electrical, schedule, all that filled out on that. This is going to be a part one. On part two, I'll actually show you when we put an ERV in here, do some heat recovery. We'll build a unit with that, how it changes the size of my heat exchanger, heating, gas fired there, as well as the cooling system, kind of the reduction in temperatures there with the heat recovery. Hey, thanks for watching.